We're going to be doing some rounding, and we're going to be rounding decimal numbers, and we'll be rounding to one decimal place. So let's go about doing that. It's not too difficult, but you do have to know one important rule, and we're going to go over that rule very, very shortly. So here we go. With A, it's 9.033. Okay, so first job is you need to be able to identify the first decimal place. Now the first decimal place is the first place value, right, after the decimal point. So that is here. This is a 0. So that is one decimal place. So this becomes the cutoff right here. Okay, now by a cutoff, it means eventually we won't need these numbers. We won't need the 3 and we won't need this 3, but we do need this 3 right here, just for now. This becomes what I like to call an indicator digit, because the indicator digit will tell me how to round this digit, our target digit, off. It's either going to stay as 0 in this case, or it's going to go up in value by 1. So how do I make that decision? Here's the one thing that you really need to know that I mentioned earlier. If the indicator digit is from 0 to 4, you can consider that small. And that would mean that the target digit will stay the same. If the indicator digit is from 5 to 9, well, you can consider that big, and that means the indicator digit goes up by 1. So let's check it out in this specific case. The indicator digit is 3, that makes it small, which means this digit stays the same. So 9.033 rounded to one decimal place is 9.0. Okay, let's try B. So B is 978.9601. So a lot of digits. Again, let's identify the first decimal place, which is here. So the cutoff is here. Right. Indicator digit is here. Is it big or is it small? Well, it's big. So this digit here, this 9 has to go up by 1. However, this is a bit tricky because we can't turn this 9 into a 10 so that it looks like this. 978.10. No, that's not how it works. That's not the correct answer. Here's how I like to do it. I like to imagine this idea. And from 9 goes up to 10. I put the 0 in the 10 here and the 1 in the 10 over here. This 0 takes the place of the 9. And this 1 gets added to the 8, so that it's not an 8 anymore, it's 8 plus 1, which is 9. So, don't need these numbers anymore, these digits, and so 978.9601 rounded to one decimal place is 979.0. We keep the 0 because we have to round to one decimal place. Okay, let's just tidy up the board and carry on after that with question C. So what do we got? We got 21.01. Okay, let's isolate the first decimal place, which is here. Cool, so the cutoff is here. This is our indicator digit. Our indicator digit is 1, so it's small, which means this 0 stays a 0. So 21.01 rounded to one decimal place is 21.0. That's it. Okay, let's try this one over here. We've got 33.681. Okay, where is the first decimal place? It's here, so the cutoff is here. This is our indicator digit. It's big, right? So this, our target digit, has to go up by a value of 1. So that becomes a 7, and we don't need these guys anymore. So that becomes 33.7. And for the last one, what have we got? We've got 244.0775. Great. First decimal place is here. Here's our indicator number. The cutoff is here. The indicator digit is big, so this has to go up by a value of 1. And so we don't need these guys anymore. This becomes our final answer, which is 244.1. And that really is all there is to it. There's more tutorials and work solution videos on my website, www.learnersgrid.com, and there are some other tutorials that might help you on my YouTube channel. If you go to the website though, the added bonus is that there are additional worksheets and activities to help you become a rounding genius. And that's it for now.